Hello everyone, I'm Subhash Bhakt and you are watching SBIT Online. This is my YouTube channel and in this video you will see how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 operating system. So guys, let's start. So just on your PC and to upgrade your system to Windows 11, click on Windows icon, then click on setting, go to setting. Now click on update and security option. And guys, you here under Windows Update you can see get ready for Windows 11. So to see if this PC can run Windows 11, check the hardware requirements or visit your PC manufacturer's details. Okay, so click on it and here you can see specifications on browser. Okay, find Windows 11 space features and computer requirements. So go down here, you can see Windows requirement is processor. You must need 1 gigahertz, RAM is 4 GB, storage is 64 GB. You need space for Windows 11 and system framework is UEFI secure boot update capable. Okay, and TPM, it's a trusted package manufacturer. TPM is must. You need version 2.0. Okay, graphic card, you need DirectX 12 or later with a WDDM 2.0 driver. Okay, and display you should definition display like 720p. Okay, and a good internet connection you have. Okay, now come back and click on update and Windows update option, check for updates. Guys, I'm going to update this PC because other requirement is for Windows 11 upgradation is you need Windows 10 version 2004 or higher. Right now you can see I am using Windows 10 version 20S2. Okay, it is higher than 2004, but it is better if you uh, uh, update your system. So I am going to update this. Okay, now you can see here downloading is 98% done. Okay, so I need to wait for few seconds. Yes, now you can see here installation is in under process. Installation is 0% now. Okay, so download has been done and now it is going to install. Here you can see 11% installation is done. Once it's completed, we need to restart. Okay, so system is restarting now and wait for reboot the system. And now system is going to logging in your user. Click on sign in option. Yes, welcome back. Now click on start icon on Windows 10 and go to setting option and now click on update and security option. Here you can see Windows update. So on the left side, left panel, click on Windows Insider program. Guys, it is mandatory. Okay, Windows Insider program you have to join. So click on get start to join Windows 11 Insider program. Okay, here pick an account to go start, link an account. Here you can see you need work or school account or Microsoft account. You must need a Microsoft account to upgrade to Windows 11. Okay, now click on continue button. Here I am going to enter my official email ID. It is my Microsoft ID. Now click on next button and I need to enter my email ID password and click in sign in option. Allow my organization to manage my data. It is optional, guys. Okay, so click on OK button and it is taking few seconds. We need to wait until unless it successfully signed in to the system with our Microsoft account. Just a moment and now you are set. Okay, so we successfully registered and now click on done. Here you can see system is loading and here you can see pick your insider setting. We have 3 setting. Okay, so we are going to select beta channel recommended. It is recommended, that's why I am selecting this. Okay, click on continue button, confirm button. Here you can see a better Windows for everyone. Guys, here you can see read the Microsoft Insider privacy statement. Okay, then click on confirm button. One more step to go. System is going to restart now, so click on restart now. So guys, system will reboot. We need to wait for restarting the system. System is rebooting now, and I'm going to log in. Yes, now click on same option, going to update and security option. Under Windows Insider program, you can see the beta channel recommended, that was we previously selected. Okay, this is our selected option. Now click on Windows update, check for update. So here you can see, guys, system is checking for updates. If your system is compatible with Windows 11, then it will automatically starting to download. And now here you can see update to Windows 11 downloading 0%. Okay, so it is collecting data, and after some time we need to again check. Here you can see download is 87% has been done, and we need to restart once it completed. Download and installation are done when we need to restart the system. Okay, so wait for few minutes. As you can see, installation is under process. Download has been done. Now system is installing, and 21% has been done, 100% has been done. I am forwarding the video, fast forwarding. Okay, now restart the system to install Windows 11. Okay guys, as you can see, system is restarting and plus updating the system. After a few minutes, we can see updates are underway, 21% complete. Okay, 100% complete, getting Windows ready. Don't turn off your computer. Restarting the system, and system is booting. We need to check in between when system is updating. Now welcome back. Now Windows 11 is going to log in. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Please keep your PC on and plugged in. Guys, you need to connect your charger before updating, because we need to charge our battery with the by the power adapter. Okay, now welcome back. You can see, guys, we successfully upgraded to Windows 11. This is Windows 11 PC. Okay, so click on setting, Windows icon, click on setting button. Here you can see if any update is pending according to your device, your manufacturing and your driver, you need to update. So check for update. We can see system is need to restart. Okay, system is login, and thanks for watching, guys. It's done.